Hello and welcome to this video. Here in this video we are going to learn how can you introduce yourself in Hindi. This video is also suitable for you if you are a beginner and you don't know even a single word in Hindi. So after watching this video you will be able to introduce yourself in Hindi. And here in this video we are not going to memorize the sentence, but we will understand the sentence structure. Once you will understand the sentence structure, you will be able to make your own sentence. Here in this video, we will learn how to say I am, how to say my name is. If your name is David, so how to say I am David, and how to say my name is David. So basically in this video, we are going to learn two very important sentence structure. Here we will start. If you have a notebook, please write the meaning of is means hai. If you have not any notebook, please have a notebook and a pen and make your own notes. It will help you a lot. So the meaning of is means hai. The meaning of am is whom. I have written in Roman script as well as in Devanagari script. Okay. We will use these vocabulary. I'm saying this word, please follow with me. So I means मैं, am is whom, boy means लड़का, girl is लड़की, year means साल, fine is ठीक, country means देश, and friend means दोस्त. Okay, so please pause the video, write all these vocabulary in your notebook. I hope you have written vocabulary. Now let's go to see first sentence structure. And first is the use of I am. If you want to say I am, and if your name is John, let's write here John. So it will be मैं John हूँ. We learned that the meaning of I is मैं, and the meaning of am is whom, and John will come in mid of the sentence. So here you can see that sentence structure is not same in Hindi. I am John will become I John am. We will write helping verb at the end of the sentence. Okay, so in English we say subject, helping verb, and then other word, while in Hindi it will become subject, other word or object, and then verb. So helping verb will come always at the end of the sentence. Okay, so please write this sentence in your notebook. Now we will see some more sentences with same sentence structure. If you want to say I am David or I am John, so you can say मैं John हूँ. We learned it. Now we have already written the meaning of fine or okay or good. For all these, the meaning will be ठीक. So मैं ठीक हूँ. I'm fine. मैं ठीक हूँ. Okay. How to say I'm a banker. If you want to talk about your profession, so मैं banker हूँ. If you are a student, you can say मैं student हूँ. If you are a software developer, you can say मैं software developer हूँ. So whatever your profession is, you can put here. Okay. Now if you want to talk about your country and you want to say I'm an Indian citizen, so how can you say मैं Indian citizen हूँ. Okay. If you are an American, you can say मैं American हूँ. You can put your country here. मैं अमेरिकन हूँ, मैं ब्रिटिश हूँ, मैं ऑस्ट्रेलियन हूँ, वट एवर योर कंट्री इज यू कैन पुट हियर. नाउ इफ यू वांट टू से आई एम नॉट अ ब्रिटिश. Okay, so here you can see we are making our sentence negative and the meaning of not is nahi. Okay, so and if you noticed we are writing nahi negative word just before the helping verb. So I am not a British, मैं British, and for making sentence negative नहीं हूँ. Okay, if I want to make this sentence negative and you want to say I'm not a Indian citizen, can you tell me where should we write nahi in this sentence? If you are saying that we should write here, then yes, you are correct. Okay, if you want to say I'm not a Indian citizen, you can say मैं Indian citizen नहीं हूँ. Now if you want to talk about your age, you can say I'm 24 years old. So the meaning of year is saal, we have already written. Okay, so I am 24 years old, मैं 24 साल की हूँ. For girl it will be की, for boy it will be का. If you're a boy, for you it will be मैं 24 साल का हूँ. Okay, now here okay, for of we have three meaning: का, की, okay, and then के. So here if you want to say I'm daughter of, if you are a girl, and if you want to talk about your parents and you want to say I'm daughter of uh, I'm daughter of Emmanuel, I'm daughter of Julia, so you can say मैं जूलिया की और मैं इमैनुअल की बेटी हूँ. The meaning of daughter is बेटी. So for girl it will be की, for boy it will be का. For boy, for male it will be ka, and for girl it will be ki. Okay, for male if you want to say I'm son of, the meaning of son is beta. Please write meaning of son is beta. Okay, okay, now if you want to talk about your friend, I'm friend of, so मैं, your friend name, maybe if you want to say that Daniel, मैं Daniel की दोस्त हूँ. For girl, if you are a girl it will be की. If you are a boy, so then it will be का. मैं Daniel का दोस्त हूँ. Okay, so for girl the meaning of will be की, for boy it will be का, and for plural or for respect it will be के. I hope you got it. Now let's go to see next sentence structure. If you have not written all the sentences, please write and make your own sentence. If you are not a banker, if you are a student, write मैं student हूँ. If you are an American citizen, you can say मैं American citizen हूँ. So make your own note. Please pause the video, write all your sentences, and then let's see next sentence structure. Okay, I hope you have written all the sentences. Now we are going to see how to say my. For my in Hindi we have three meaning: मेरा, मेरी, and then मेरे. मेरा we use for male, मेरी we use for female, and मेरे we use for plural or for respect, but only for male. For female in all the cases you will use मेरी. Now let's go to see how मेरा, मेरी, मेरे will work. Here you can say I'm using my with brother. Brother is a male, so it will be मेरा भाई. My sister, sister is a female, so मेरी बहन. My mom is a female, so मेरी अम्मा, whatever you say, you can say मेरी माँ, मेरी मम्मा, मेरी अम्मी. Okay, मेरी माँ. Now if you want to say my dad, for giving respect, as I told you, for male, for giving respect we use मेरे. So my dad, मेरे dad. Okay, or मेरे पापा, मेरे अब्बू. Here I have written respect. Now for friend, मेरा दो, friends plural, मेरे दोस्त. My boss, मेरे boss. For respect, if you don't want to give respect, you can say मेरा boss. Okay, now my brothers, मेरे भाइयों, my sisters, मेरी बहनों. For plural, my parents, मेरे parents. Okay, for parents we don't have any specific word in Hindi. You can say मेरे मम्मा पापा. Now let's go to C sentences. Here you can say if your name is Laura and you want to say my name is Laura. So my name, मेरा name is Naam, and then Laura hai. You can ask me that Laura is a girl's name, but still you are using मेरा, because the meaning of my will depend what you are writing just after my. So here we are writing name, so it will be मेरा. So my name is Laura, मेरा नाम Laura है. If your name is David, you can say मेरा नाम David है. Here you can see that we are writing my name first, then name, and then we are writing linking verb at the end of the sentence. So my name is Laura, मेरा नाम Laura है. Okay. Okay. So now let's go to see some more sentences. Okay, here these are vocabulary that we are going to use. You have already seen most of these. Mother is mom, father is papa, brother is bhai, sister is behan, daughter is beti, son is beta. Okay. Okay, please write all these vocabulary and then let's see new sentences. Okay, here you can see if you want to talk about your family and you want to say my father's name is, so mere papa ka naam. Father, papa. So my means mere for giving respect, papa, father, for apostrophe s. Okay, it's very interesting thing. For apostrophe s and for off, we have same meaning, and we have ka, ki, and then K. Again, Ka for male, Ki for female, and K for plural or for respect. Okay. So if you want to say my father's name is, so my father, mere papa, for apostrophe s ka, name is naam, and then G. I'm writing G for giving respect. Whenever we take any elder's name, we add G for giving respect, and we do this for all the gender, for male, for female, for both. For giving respect, you can use G. For example, if your dad's name is uh, uh, John, okay, so you can say मेरे पापा का नाम जॉन जी है. If your father's name is Mukesh, you can say मेरे पापा का नाम मुकेश जी है. Okay. Now for mom, my mom's name is Das, and you can say मेरी मम्मा का नाम, and whatever your mom name is. For example, if your mom name is Zuli, so you can say मेरी मम्मा का नाम जूली है. Okay. Now, if you want to talk about your friend's name, you can say my friend's name is. So मेरे दोस्त, friend is दोस्त, for apostrophe is का for male, नाम, and then है मेरे दोस्त का नाम. Whatever your friend name is, you can put here. Similarly, for this, my country's name is, so मेरे देश का नाम, and this है. If you are from USA, so you can say my country's name is America. तो मेरे देश का नाम अमेरिका है. My aunt's name is मेरी मासी. For aunt, we have different meaning. Masi, we say Masi, or Mausi, we say to our mom's sister. Okay. I hope you got all these sentences. If you want to take a note, please pause the video and write all these sentences. Okay. So here now we will do this exercise. If you want to make a try, so please pause the video and try all these sentences, and then you can check your answer. Okay, now I hope that you have tried, and now let's go to see whether your sentences are correct or not. So first sentence is my name is Mohan. So my is mera, naam Mohan. So here we are using mera not because of Mohan, but because of naam. So even if your name is any girl's name, your name is Sunita, then you will say mera naam Sunita hai. Still it will be mera. Now if you want to say I'm a boy, so it will be मैं लड़का हूँ. Okay. If you want to say I'm an Indian, so you can say मैं Indian हूँ. Okay. Now if you want to say I'm 15 years old, मैं 15 साल का हूँ. For girl, it will be की हूँ. For girl, if you are 15 years old, so you will say मैं 15 साल की हूँ. Okay. My father's name is Mr. Ram. So मेरे, for giving respect, पापा का नाम राम जी. For giving respect in Hindi, we add G. Ram ji. Next sentence, if you want to say my brother's name is Mohan, मेरे भाई का नाम मोहन है. Okay. How to say my brother is 11 years old? You can say मेरा भाई 11 साल का है. Now, if you want to say my mother's name is Sunita, तो मेरा नाम, मेरी माँ का नाम, मेरी माँ और मम्मा whatever का नाम सुनीता है. Okay. Now, if you want to say my mother is a teacher, how can you say मेरी माँ टीचर है. Okay. Now, if you want to say I'm not a British, मैं British है. मैं ब्रिटिश नहीं हूँ. Okay, I hope you got all these sentences, and so please do more practice. There is no limitation or sentences. Do more practice. If you have any doubt, please write in comment box. I will try to answer your question. And please do subscribe this channel, like this video, because when you like and subscribe, so it motivates us to do work hard for you. Thank you. Enjoy learning. Have a great rest of day.